Alright, so we have the second chain tensioner done. That's one on the left. And you can tell it's a little bit bigger than the one on the right. Again, previous videos will give you the dimensions, the new dimensions for the bigger chain tensioner mounting plate. Okay, with the standoffs. And it worked great. We got the fasteners to play nice next to each other, and enough room left over to even put a wrench on there, okay, to do what you need to do to tighten things down. So that's good. That worked out great. So like I said before, I think the one on the right will still work, even though we're probably limited to these three holes. You know, this hole, this one, and this one. And I may be able to use a Dremel tool and kind of, you know, nip aside here if I have to get an extra hole. But I think we're going to be okay. We'll know for sure. I'm waiting for the sprockets to come in, and they're either idler sprockets or also known as tensioner sprockets, and they have a 1/2 inch bore, so that this is a 1/2 inch threaded rod, so should slide right over the top of it. And then I'll mount them up on the gearbox. But I want to wait for the sprockets to come in before I start drilling the steel plate, because I need to kind of put it all in place and mock it up and make sure it all lines up right, so I don't want to drill the holes in the wrong place. So that's that. That turned out good. And that's also, as I mentioned in the previous video to this, we're going to have to take the PMA and drill the you know, drill a hole in this. So that's the next thing to do, and I'm waiting for the sprocket to come in on that too. We're going to replace this. Got two sprockets coming in the exact same size. One is going to replace this pulley, and the other one that's the exact same size is going to go on the stainless steel shaft on the PMA here. So yep, that's next. Probably won't get to that today, so we have our carbide drill bit that's going to make an attempt to drill into that, as I said in the previous video, and just cover this. Actually, it's the other PMA. It's that one sitting right there. So we're just going to wrap it in a bag and tape it all up, and just show and just try to get the PMA mounted to the drill press, which I still got a mess over here from drilling the new chain tensioner plate. But so got a little cleanup to do, and that's probably it for today. We'll get back to you once we get some parts in and put up some new videos. Okay, thanks for hanging with me. Later.